Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Atomics.and. So, what we're gonna do, you know, the first I need to tell you what Atomics is. The static Atomics and method computes a bitwise and a given value at a given position in the array, and returns the old value at that position. So, this atomic operation guarantees that no other write happens until the modified value is written back. So what we're gonna do, giving an example, create a shared let. What we're gonna do, create a shared buffer with the size in bytes. So name it buffer equals new constructor called shared array buffer. You know, the usual syntax for var event 8 equals new event 8 array. And we will pass buffer inside that. So after we done, I will add event 8 and put inside the first array equals 7, and now log it on a console. Atomics.and inside that I made a mistake. Event 8 0 comma 2. So expected output is 7 because we put 7 already. And now what we're gonna do, we will use the atomics.load method. Event 8 comma 0, so it's gonna show the 9. So if we do and again, it's gonna do like 9 and that, so on. So, and let me show another example. If we do like change that and put 4 and again log it on a console, atomic dot and inside parameter event 8 comma 0. Oh, this should be load, and when we do that we found 0. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.